As you saw in future value, this was example 1 that we just calculated. So how do we calculate present value? Well, we're going to use this example and we're going to start with present value in example 2. So for example 2, we're going to start out with what we had in example 1, which is $28,974.34. So that is our future value amount. Periodic payments we know is $1,000 per period. The rate we know is at 10%. The number of years is 7. So how do we calculate to know what present value is if we didn't know what the answer was on example 1? Again, you're going to insert a function, and this time you're going to type PV for present value and click Go. And we know it's the right formula because it says it returns the present value of investment, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. So our rate is going to be 10%. Total number of periods is 7. Our payment we know is 1,000. Now on this one we don't have to deal with negative numbers because it's bringing back what the original value amount is. So for future value we know that amount is 28,974 and the type we know is 0. I apologize, I think you may have to put in a negative. Yes, you do have to put in a negative number for the payment amount to know what it is, and then you'll just have to bring it to an absolute value, which we know that is 10,000. So payment amount is going to be negative. We do put that in there, but for future value we leave that blank. So we click OK. As we know that is an absolute value form is $10,000 for our initial investment that we saw up here in example 1. So if anyone has any specific questions, just let me know, and that is example 2.